What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Mini Cooper 3-door. So it's a Mini Cooper S 3-door, and this beautiful color is called Nanuq white. I hope I'm saying it right. Is it called Nanuq? Hopefully up to you guys and how you want to say it, but just check out how gorgeous this car looks in terms of its paint. It's absolutely stunning in terms of metallic wise. Love the gold copper finishes, that sort of like bronze kind of thing perhaps that's happening with the car. It does look very nice indeed. Now let's start off with the front of the car before we jump right down to the interior. First, let's take a look at the gorgeous rounded lights that we have happening over here. Now, of course, when the car is on, which hopefully I can do it later, I can show you guys how the DRL actually looks like. So it's amazing how they have the main headlights that are located right here, which looks absolutely stunning from this place. So it's gorgeous in every way that we can see possible. Now let's move down to the bottom part of the front bumper here. You do get this matte out finish, textured like of a front bumper, and you also get this amazing looking front grille that we have right here with all of these matte finishes happening right here with some gloss finishes on the inner part of the front grille, together with the exterior look of this whole piece of art. Now your number plate goes right here, your tow hook is located right there. You do get your front camera happening right here, which is the 360 camera, and you do get your sensors located on this side right here, and also the S badging that we have on this car right here. Now I love the Mini Cooper badging that is in this different like matte finish of a satin finish of a color, which looks very nice. I also love that these Mini Coopers always have these stripes on the car, these lines that are popping up over the front hood, and sometimes you can see the top right here also having all sorts of designs and colors. Now that's what's beautiful about the Mini Cooper cars that I love. I also have to take note that they have a British flag located right here on the body of the front bumper, so it looks absolutely gorgeous indeed. Now move down to the sides. What you'll notice is that the front matte finish of a front bumper, right, you do get it coming across the whole wheel arch that goes all the way down right here, all the way to the back. So the beautiful part about this is that you do get solid disc brakes that are happening right here, and you do get this silver-like finish on the exterior together with the black finish on the interior part of the car. So it's a two-tone finish of a wheel. You do get some texture-like finish over here as well, with the Mini Cooper badging right here in the center. Now the tire brand that they're using for this is also a hand-cooked tire. As you can see, tire size is actually 215/40R18. Yeah, so it does look gorgeous indeed for this particular front wheel. Now let's move down to the side mirrors. You will notice that you do get your side mirrors here in this blacked out finish, and with also this gloss black happening right here, but you do get this matte texture like finish for the bottom holder, together with your 360 camera located at the side right here. Now your turn indicators should light up on this side right here, which also looks stunning indeed. Now the side stickers that we have on the car, of course that's a part of the British flag, comes on this black finish that goes on to the end, and you do get this matte-like texture of a side skirting, which is very nice indeed. I also love how the door handles are in a black color, so there's a lot of contrast happening, especially with the car as well. You do get this gloss black finish happening all the way down here, all the way to the side, and the fact that half of the car is in a black finish, the bottom of the car looks white, so it does look very nice indeed. Now let's open up the doors and take a look what's happening right here. So first thing is, you notice all this textured like of a door finish, all this fabric finish looks very nice. The quality is superb. I like how they call this the energetic silver kind of a color for the finishing of the door handles. Looks very nice, all this matte stuff. And also you do get your window adjustments right here with this hard plastic happening on this side, together with some leather finishes all over the place here and there. And the bottom here is also a hard plastic, also right here, very nice indeed. You do get your speaker system right here with some compartment storage happening down here as well. I also love it how the door is actually a frameless kind of a door, so if you wind down the windows, this whole thing goes right down. Very nice indeed. Now the interior part of this car, you do get some fabric seats here, mixture of a little bit of leather, so makes it look absolutely stunning. You do get a mini badging right here with some blue stitching, together with the side right here. It also comes all the way down. I love the fabric finishes that are happening on the seats, especially at the side, goes all the way to the headrest as well. So it does look very nice indeed. Love the lines that are on the seats, together with texture like for the back. Seat adjustments, manual, to increase the bottom piece here. These ones right here is to fold this part right here, but there's a handle right here. If you pull, you actually can head right to the back. Now, this is purely depending on who wants to sit at the back, but nevertheless, let's take a look at the side right here. The plates, the Mini Cooper plates, they're not lighted up, but they just look just nice indeed. Now let's jump right in, show you guys how the interior looks like. So you do get this fabric-like finish similar towards the side of the door. You do get your air vent adjustments right here and also right here. You do have this amazing like leather strap that's happening with the red and the blue and the black. Very nice indeed. You do get your glove compartment located right here. I believe that should be the owner's manual. Very nice. Hard plastic. Very, very cool indeed. Legroom is fantastic, and I love the screen once again. It looks very, very nice. Now this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger. The seat belts are also in black, but yeah, let us also take note the Harman Kardon sound system that's located right here for the speakers, and you do get this hard like plastic also at the same time right here, including the dashboard right here with some speaker system. I believe should be right here. This fabric lining at the top, together with this amazing mirror. It does not have a light, but nevertheless it does look good. Plastic right here, very nice indeed. Love the finishing. Airbag, curtain airbags all over the place. So very cool indeed. Now, center right here, you do get this again, silver, energetic silver happening right here. I believe this should be where you put your phone in, wireless charging, so it doesn't slip off and fall down when you're driving and whatnot. Amazing storage at the center. We will take a look at all of these once we're on the driver's side, but let's hop right down to the rear part of the seat. So in order for us to fold the seats forward, you have to do this, you have to press this, and you have to just drag it forward. And for this, you can push that down, so it gives you this sort of a space and leg room for you to actually hop at the back, for you to sit down at the rear. Now again, seat belts will be always here, but let's jump right in comfortably and take a seat at the back. So this is how comfortable the back actually looks. Now this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. I do get an amazing armrest for me to rest my arm. Speakers are located right on the inside there. The seat belts are actually here for you to hook it on this side if you wish to. If not, you can take it out. Seat belts are in black. You do get these very nice seats that are very comfortable indeed. Love the texture like finish happening once again over here, over here, over here. Some blue lining, blue stitching happening all over the place. Fantastic. So let's try and push the seat back. So this is, yeah, comfortable indeed, sitting right here. Of course, the front I'm able to still fit because I've not adjusted the front seats and it was very much roomy earlier. But yeah, very nice. So for me to get right down, push that down, and I'm able to move fully out on this side right here. So let's get right down and take a look what's on the rear side before we jump anywhere else. So push this back. So that was the seat if I'm comfortably sitting at the back. So let's jump right to the front. See once again, this is me. Just nice. Legroom is fantastic. Good. So let's get right down. And before we jump right to the boot, let's take a look at the rear wheels. You do get your tire size in 215/40R18. Hankook tires once again. Solid disc brakes for the rear. And you do get the black finish at the center, silver finish on the outside, Mini Cooper badging right here. You do get a lock nut as well for the wheel. Very nice indeed. Now check out the rear, man, dude. Amazing finish for the back. You do get the whole top here in black. Love the antenna that sticks out. You do get the two stripes at the front, continuing all the way at the back right here. Very nice. You got your Cooper S wording right there, the badging, and also your Mini Cooper badging right there as well. Number plate goes right here, and love the lights that are happening on this side and on this side. Now, if it's an S badging like this in red color, this is a petrol car. Let's open that up. Before that, let's go right down. You got your reflectors for your brake lights. You do get this in matte finish as well, going all the way to the back right here. So very cool. Either this should be your reverse light or this should be your rear fog lamp. So very nice. Down here, compartment storage happening. Let's see what's underneath. Yep, more compartment storage as well, so very nice. First aid kit, tire repair kit, and whatnot. I believe these are to control your lights. And you do have an option to fold down the rear seats if you wish to. Now, let's put that down and take a look. Amazing storage space that you guys can actually get with a car like this. So it does have a lot of space indeed. Now let's jump right to the driver's side. Put this up, show you guys how it looks. Before that, petrol cap. Of course, this is a petrol car. Very nice indeed. Now take a look at the back. And take a look at the space, man, dude. Fantastic space. How you can fold down the rear seats, and that whole partition can actually still come all the way down. This whole piece can be taken off, and you can take it out for you to keep more stuff inside. Let's push this back again. Take a look at the space. Fantastic space, man, dude. So let's get right to the driver's seat to show you guys how this fits. But before that, warning triangle is located right up here. Very nice indeed. Let's close this down. And let's jump right here to this side. And cool, man. So once again, the doors, you do get this door unlock and lock happening right here. You do also get your handles right here to pull, to open up. Your window adjustment for left and right, together with your side mirrors adjustments, and the whole compartment storage down here. This is to open up the front hood if you wish to. Of course, it's a petrol car. Engine is located right at the front. You do get your brakes and your accelerator pedal. Very nice indeed. Your dashboard is in, once again, this fabric finish. Very nice indeed. I believe this should be your head-up display happening on this side. Shoots up to the screen. Very cool. I love the frameless mirrors that you guys get with the car. Very nice. You do get your SOS call button happening right up here as well. Lighting. And of course, yes, you do get your mirrors. So very, very cool indeed. Steering wheel looks absolutely fantastic. I like how the design is. It's very thick and very nice to hold and grab onto to actually drive. Driving modes, I believe, should be on the other side, but nevertheless, this side here is your different modes that you can set. Answering call, voice command, I believe, and your favorite button, music, shortcuts, and things like that to control. And the cruise control for you to set is over here also as well. So airbag is located here. Love the badging. You can feel the badging. Love this particular thing they have right here. Very cool, man. Very nice thought to have that. Very nice indeed. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's side. Of course, the seat is like this, but nevertheless, it's okay. Down here, once again, you do get your 2 cup holder storage right here. Start the engine, of course, you got to switch it to the other side with the key with you, of course. And I believe this should be your different driving modes for you to set. This should be your drive and also your reverse and your neutral for you to control. P is for parking. This is to control your volume, I believe, for the main screen. This thing actually lights up. And you do get your hazard light warning and your rear demister, together with also your other stuff that are happening with the particular car. So that's happening right here. So very cool indeed. I like what's happening right here. You have your other driving systems, which is your lane keeping assist and whatnot, I believe, together with your camera. Very nice. Very simple and straightforward. And seat belts in black. Very cool. So let's get right down. Unfortunately, the battery on this car is a bit low. Therefore, we will not be doing anything with the lights. But let's just try and see if we can try to get the lights actually on for this before we do anything else. Let's get right down and take a look. These are how amazing the car looks with the DRLs. Very, very cool. I love how the lights actually light up. So your DRLs are on this side right here. I believe these ones also light up in a way, but it's a very nice design, man. Check it out. Love the back part. Now let's jump to the rear. Let's take a look what's hiding on this side. You do get this amazing finish for a real tail lamp. Very gorgeous indeed. Love the finishing, man. This texture-like design. Can you see what I mean? The inner part here, when you slam on the brakes, then it lights up. If not, it's just a side. Very cool, man. Very nice screen setup that you guys actually get. Tons of settings for you to choose. Love the screen, man. We'll go and talk more about that in the future, but nevertheless, it is a fantastic, fantastic looking car, guys. So, beautiful. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mini Cooper cars, do head down to Bangsar, where you are able to locate many of their other choices of colors that you guys can see. Tons of them all over the place, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.